saying goodbye to Halloween. But hello to Thanksgiving! So sit back, relax, and let the magic begin. So now that all my spooky friends are gone, I'm going to use my Mrs. Myers pumpkin cleaner to tidy up the place. And I'm decorating the porch for the fall. Happy Turkey Day! Let's start. As you can tell, I took out the witch and I put the scarecrow in. Getting ready for Turkey Lurkey Day. Turkey Lurkey Day! So now I'm going to put my fall sticks in. So you can find these fall sticks at Michael's and the Dollar Tree. And what's really nice about what I did this year, remember I said I was going to leave the plastic on the hay bales? Look how beautiful the hay held up. So an Opera Mama G tip, leave the plastic on the hay. It lasts better. So these little beautiful sticks, I got these at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just gonna stick them in the hay, right in the hay. So right now I'm gonna get Rob. So these are my pilgrim friends, and they're gonna go in the hay. And look, I just put this beautiful glitter pumpkin to add a little bit of bam to my decorations. I like it because it has a little glitter and it's shiny. It's beautiful, and I actually got this at Home Goods. Home Goods always comes through for the best holiday decorations. Pumpkin spice everything. A nice map. Okay, so I'm going to put some new ribbon on the corn stalks. Unfortunately, it's raining out today, so you're not going to really see me do it, but you are going to see me do this. What do I say? When we do mesh garland, we open it, we throw it. So fly, baby, fly. Ta-da! decorating. So right now I'm going to be doing my counter, I'm going to be doing my fireplace and my picture window. Enjoy! So this is actually my favorite turkey that I own because look how fabulous it is. It just shines, there's so much glitter. This is my favorite Thanksgiving Day decoration. I just wanted to share it with you guys. And these are my favorite Pilgrim candle holders. Okay, now it's time to decorate the picture window. So my new addition this year is my leopard pumpkins. I'm adding a little leopard into fall. Leopard's good all time of year. And look at my shirt. Leopard, leopard, leopard. Well, that's it, everybody. Fall is officially up. Now, I know what you're thinking. She did a Halloween garland. She did a fall garland outside, but where's her inside garland? Don't worry, that's next week's video. We're going to do a fall garland tutorial. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Write in the comments what was your favorite Thanksgiving decoration that I put up. I would love to know. And also share with you what your favorite Thanksgiving decoration that you put up for your family. Have a really wonderful night, guys, and I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.